Hey guys, what's up? It's the Battlefield. Today I'm going to be doing a video. Today I'm going to be doing the one and only Roblox. And I'm going to be doing Baldi's Basics and multiplayer. So by the way, guys, I've actually got just bought like Jordans. And plus, guys, as you know, yeah, inside the legit black and grey, so I'm going to be wearing them to school. Jordans. Actually, yeah, I haven't been posting from that video I put up because I broke my leg and I'm on crutches and I can't really do videos because I'm in such pain. But today I've just decided to, oh my god, fight the pain. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be playing Baldi's Basics multiplayer. Well, basically, let's go. I actually did a video, but then I got interrupted, so I'm just starting again. Let's do this. I can do this. By the way, Baldi is where you have to find 7 notebooks and escape from Baldi. Baldi is this psycho teacher. Find out. Wait, you can actually be Baldi. But before I saw some random thing. Notebook! Fun. 6 plus 3 is 9. Enter. 5 plus 1. It's gonna be hard, the last one, isn't it? 6. I'm just gonna use Scribble. I'm just gonna ask my little brother who knows Scribble plus Scribble. Stop. Stop it! Stop! Oh my god, stop! You're not stopping. Boy, I'll be taking a picture and seeing what it lands on. No, I'm actually doing that. Take a picture, see what it lands on. Boy! Yo, it actually printed a picture! It actually printed a picture! Baldi killed me! Well, I actually got a picture on my phone. It was 709 plus 971. I'm going to delete it, but now I've got to restart. Does this count? Can I just take that? Oh no. This, that. Yeah, before I just done this and started hopping. Yeah. Oh, that's the principle. No running of holes. Okay. Why does it destroy? Oh my god! Why does it destroy the door when you walk in? Welcome to Baldi's Basics and Educational and Playtime. I'm not playing with you. No, go away. Make sure you interplay for some of these problems. Okay, mister. I hear of it. Who the hell? Who that? Oh, I think that's one. I think that's my teammate. He's always playing with Playtime. What? Oh no, Baldi killed him. 1, 2. Oops, you messed up. Literally. Equals 7. 7 minus 4. 3. How did I die? I didn't even get one wrong. Sans, stop smiling. I'm playing again. Wait, can I be Baldi? Guys, I'm gonna become Baldi, become Bendy. I want to be Baldi! Fine. What? 1,000 Robux! You know what? I'm just gonna become a student. Welcome to. Well, great. 7 minus 2. Oh my god, I escaped! How did I click escape? I clicked escape. Yo, I've got to restart. I clicked escape. Oh my god. I clicked escape. Great, out of all the things I could click, I clicked escape. To leave. I finally found out where one of the notebooks were. You know what? I hope it reloads where I was. Oh, here my... I'm gonna click to collect. This boy completely gave up in life. And I'm just gonna write 5. You know what? Since he's probably cursed by Illuminati. What boy? I got that right? I got it right! Oh my god! I got it right! Yo, I got it right. Oh my god. I am a genius. Here's the soundtrack. Oh, I hibbled.
Give me some.
I am looking for you.
I just got a notebook and I got that one actually right. I knew that it was cursed and I knew it would be cursed and that it would be like 666 or something like that. Knew it. No.
I am looking for you.
Oh God, no. No. God, no. God, please, no. He's gonna say no around the whole. Oh.
Hey, Baldi! Over here!
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh my god, it's sweeping. This is crazy.
I wanna play with someone!
Playtime. You know what? Is it, got it wrong.
I am looking for you.
I know you are looking for me. And you are. I need to find a piece of. I'm gonna try to find a piece of candy. The hell? Winners are not those who. Baldi wins! Oh my god, Baldi wins! Oh my god, I'm gonna roll that sound. That sound is paranormal. Wait. I wanna beat the system! Okay, reset character. Yes. Well, I hope I don't run into sweeping. Why am I? Oh my god. I hope I don't get into sweeping time. This is arts and craft. Baldi. Playtime. You got it.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. I am looking for you.
Bro, why do all these drawings look like a 2-year-old drew them? No, is this the school store? Buy Baldi's clothes. You know what? I'm gonna.
I am looking for you.
It's 2 Robux. How much this? How much this? This. I want to get 5 Robux. I guess when it goes up, it gets higher in price. Like my Jordans. When it goes up in size, it gets higher in price. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna jump. I wanna jump. Gotta sweep. Sweep, sweep. It's sweeping time. No, literally. It's sweep time. I find it funny how sometimes you can. Boy, I'm beating the system. I'm beating the system. Sucker. I'm beating the system. Oh no, no. Get me back up. Get me up. Get me up. Get me up. Boy. Get me up.
Hey, Baldi!
What is that? The hey Bobby, I'm over here. Who the hell is that? Oh my god. Okay guys, I think I have to cut this video a bit short, I will do a number 2. Thank you guys for, well, I guess, watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, punch that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.